All right, so tell me about the green one here first.
Okay, so these are a new release for us. They're the Jaeger friction folder. We've got a couple of standard ones here with Scandi ground blades with G10, Ultrex G10 scales. AEBL stainless steel, so nice and easy to sharpen, super easy to care for, and holds a great edge. Green, obviously, the bushcraft is often popular choice. However, if you were to drop it in the woods, obviously it's going to be a bit tricky to find. So we also have the orange, which will stand out nicely. And then, if you're interested in something a bit more fancy, we also have done a couple of these very pretty damask steel, so still stainless, so still nice and easy to care for, and reindeer antler scales on that as well. So rather pretty. This is the only one left, so we sold one of those today. As you can see, nice and compact and rather fancy.
And what are the prices?
This one is 385 and these ones are 285. So yeah, a little bit more expensive for the damask steel and the antler.
I just noticed you have these over here in this cabinet. Can you tell me about them a little bit?
Yeah, certainly. So this is a pretty cool collaboration between myself of Wilder Ways and John Jeffrey's Custom Catapults. So I got in touch with John a little while ago just to sort of speak about the idea of doing a collab, and he was well up for it. So yeah, he put me together this absolutely gorgeous catapult, which has got coffee bag burlap in the middle there, a nice thick orange liner in the middle, and then some stunning big leaf maple burl on that front face there. And then he sent me the sort of the offcuts of materials, and I managed to put them to use on a rather pretty knife here. But it's quite unusual because on this one we did something different, where we put that liner, which is usually against the tang, we put it between the coffee bag burlap and the maple burl on the outside, and it just really makes it pop. It's just a nice little detail, which is something that's a little bit different. So yeah, pretty excited about that. Definitely going to be doing some more like this in this sort of layout. So yeah, super excited.
And how much are these?
This knife will probably be around 390, depending on the exact materials. And I believe I think this is the Mustang model of catapult, and I think John sells those for about 260, I think it is. Yeah. So if anybody was interested in the matching set like this, by all means get in touch with either myself or John Jeffries. I'll be happy to help you out.
Cool, and this is where we find you at?
That's me, wilderways.uk.
Thank you.